Hi, I'm Sherry. I'm a Chinese living in Ireland. Today, I want to show you something delicious. This is zongzi. It is a Chinese traditional rice cake. We usually eat it on the 5th day in the 5th month in lunar calendar. This special date is a festival named Duanwu. We eat it to memorize an ancient poet and also wish ourselves peaceful lives. I want to show you some simple zongzi, but still very delicious. There are only 3 ingredients: leaves, rice, and water. I was born in Huzhou, Zhejiang Province, China. Huzhou's zongzi is very famous in China, and its shape is easy to recognize. Long and thin, 4 angles, just like a pillow. So you can call it pillow zongzi. There are so many zongzi styles in China. Some are sweet and some are salty, and some are smoky and some are spicy, etc. Zongzi could be a snack, a dessert, and also a dinner, and they are wrapped in different leaves, usually in bamboo leaves, reed leaves, corn leaves, and in different shapes as well. Leaves supply a very special flavor, but remember not to eat the leaves. They are only containers. I know there is also same leaves in the forests of Ireland. As we all know, now is a very special time, and we cannot go too far. Just stay safe. So I bought some in Asian stores. They are dry but still smell good. I believe I can make very tasty zongzi with it. The simplest one is always the best. Today's zongzi, it is natural and simple. You can feel pure flavor. Surely you can eat warm one. Enjoy the fragrance rice. If you dip sugar, you can feel the sugar melting with rice in your mouth. And you might feel so satisfied to have a cold one, for it would be chewier. Feel free to show your creativity in the dressings and dips. Highly recommend sugar, soybean powder. You know what? We can also make a stir and fry by zongzi. Today is the 5th day in the 5th month of lunar calendar. Hope you all healthy and happy. It is my first video in YouTube. Hope you will like it. I will show you more videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.